Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this will be something new that I'm starting. I get a lot of questions about wigs. I used to wear them really often, like almost daily when I was transitioning, because I didn't think my hair was long enough. And then since then I haven't really been wearing that much. I might put one on maybe like once or twice a month. But now I'm really trying to avoid any kind of heat, and then not only that, like manipulation. So me having to touch my hair daily, I'm really trying to get away from that. So wigs are now coming back into my life. And so with that, there's going to be a wig series of just me getting different wigs, trying different wigs, letting you guys know, hey, yeah, this might be something you need to incorporate in your wig closet, or save your coins and buy something else. So this will be the first of many videos regarding wigs. If you see a wig out there and you're not sure if you're just gonna look right, you see something online and you're like, ugh, I hate to get it, and then I get in the mail and it doesn't look right, let me know, and then maybe I can try it for you, because it's always nice to get that review of something before you commit your coins to it. So let's just dive right into this new yet interesting series. Okay, so summer's still here in the South. I don't know about you guys up north, but it's still 80 and 90 degrees. And I've always wanted to try highlights, but I've never wanted to sit down that long or even subject my hair to that punishment. So I found this wig. This is the Freetress Equal wig, and it's in the style Christy, and I got the color OP27. Yeah, I'm normally a 1B, like I might delve over into the 2s, but that's as good as it gets. So I saw it and I'm just like, Alicia, it's a wig, you don't have to commit to it, just try it. So I got it. This is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna like it. This is straight out of the box. This is just for me. This is the initial review and then the try on. So this is straight out of the box. It has a little bit of volume just from me picking it like this. I kind of do want it to be bigger, so I am going to brush it with my paddle brush. Okay, so this is what it looks like with a little bit of brushed out. It is a, what is this, invisible L part wig, so there is just a one single part. It's not one of those multi-parts, so you can only wear it one way. It does have, because you know I love a comb, it does look like it has 2 combs in the back and then 1 comb in the front. So let's just go ahead and try this on. So, ooh, there's a lot of color. Oh, when I went out, I went all the way out. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. Let me try to, it is really tight on my head. Now, in full disclosure, I have a large head. I'm not even going to just play around. That's one of the beautiful flaws that the Lord has blessed me with, and I'm just gonna embrace it. So it is really tight on my head. Like, I don't think this is gonna be something I'm gonna be able to wear all day, like if I'm just going for brunch with the girls or dinner with bae for like a couple hours, then I will definitely put this on. But to be able to wear this all day, this is not happening. This is for small heads or medium heads. This is not for us larger head girls. You know who you are, okay? So just keep that in mind when you want to wear this. But other than that, I like the cut. I like where it's sitting. It kind of gives you that bob look, so that's really nice. This part, let's see if you can see the part. So it's supposed to be an invisible L part. So if you bring back just a little, if you come back off, you can't really see the part, but the closer you look, you can tell that it is a wig. And you know, some people, that's okay for some people. I'm okay with telling people that it's a wig. I don't know what this misconception that, or I don't know what it is with being negative that you have a wig on. Yeah, I have a wig on, and my hair is still flawless under it, so don't get it twisted. She wears a wig, but she ain't bald. sorry, let's get back into the video because I went on a tangent and I'm sorry, so we're gonna get back. All right, so yeah, this is the wig. Like I said, this is OP27. I do like the blonde. I do like that it starts off, it looks like maybe this is like a 1B or a 2. So I am able to blend. I'll probably even bring some of my edges out. Let's do that real quick. So yeah, I love this wig. Like I said, it's not one of those wigs that I'm gonna be able to wear all day. This is definitely a special occasion or go out for a couple of hours type wig. But other than that, I really love the color. The color, if it was just a little bit bigger as far as like the wig cap, I definitely would be able to wear this all day. Like if I'm going out like a summer, like if I'm doing like farmer's market, then we're going over to the outdoor model shop. This is definitely one that I could see myself wearing because of the color, but like I said, I do have a large head. So this wouldn't be something that I would be able to wear all day because I know after 2 or 3 hours I'm going to get a headache, and at that point it would just come off. I don't care where I am. So I'm just preparing myself to avoid that catastrophe and only wear it a little while. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, this is the Freetress Christy. This is the OP27. No, yes, OP27. I don't know what that means in terms of like color. I got a little bit of everything. I got a little bit of, this is like honey brown. I've got some blonde in here. I do like that the root is a brown, so it can mimic my edges. But other than that, I got a little bit of 4. Let me just give you guys a little 360. So we've got the front, we've got the sides, we've got the back, show you guys the length, and then we've got the side, and we got the front again. So yeah, really nice wig. I'm excited about it. My first colored wig. I'm excited. Okay, let me stop playing. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed the first of many wig reviews, installs, first impressions. Like I said, if you do know or see another wig that you're interested in, put it in the comment section. If you like this, if you want me to continue doing the wig series, please let me know because I'm not going to waste my money if you don't want to see it. So let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.